Quickly, first thing that comes to mind when someone mentions camping. If you thought campfire, then you most likely live for the feel of the warmth, the smell of burning wood and the roasted marshmallows a fire can provide. To get a fire started seems like an easy feat, but it's not always so. Sometimes you can have really bad weather, strong winds, or even worse, wet firewood. That is why it is important to equip yourself with fire starters that will make lighting a fire super simple. So let's dive into the best fire starters, so your next adventure turns out warm and toasty, no matter the conditions. 1. Not the dog, but the cardboard box will work wonders to start a fire. It's dry, lightweight and burns hot. The best boxes are waxed boxes that are used for storing fruit. They burn hotter and longer thanks to the wax. 2. Pine cones. Found in most forests are a perfect fire starter. The oils produced in the pine cone light up really easy. Next time you see one, pick it up. 3. Newspaper. The thin paper burns easily. You can scrunch it for plenty of heat quickly or twist it into a rope for longer-lasting fire. 4. Flint and steel. Waterproof, lightweight and can be used many times over. Use it in conjunction with some twigs and paper. 5. Orange peels. Thanks to the oils in the skin, orange peels work a treat to light fires. So enjoy a healthy snack and afterwards start a fire with them. 6. Pencil shavings. Lightweight and super flammable. Collect these and place them under twigs to start a fire fast. 7. The final one are chips. Not only are they tasty, but they burn really well as they are dry, covered in oil and lightweight. You just have to decide if you would rather eat them or sit by a fire. That's a difficult decision for sure. So, pick out the best fire starters for your needs and become a fire god at your next camping trip. For more fire starters, check out MendoOutdoors.com.